welcome to my fall morning routine. After I get up, I like to start a pot of coffee. Currently, I'm drinking the Starbucks Dark French Roast Blend, and I add pumpkin spice creamer, super cozy and delicious. Then I cook my veggie egg scramble. Most mornings I've been eating eggs or oatmeal, but I find that eggs are more satisfying, so when we have them, it's definitely my go-to breakfast. I love adding spinach for an easy veggie add-on. With fall comes pumpkin everything and all of the baked goodies, so that morning I ate a fluffy cinnamon roll. I grabbed these at my local Sprouts grocery store, so if you have a Sprouts grocery store, I totally recommend these cinnamon rolls. Super cozy and delicious. I had this with my scrambled eggs. And while I ate breakfast, I watched some YouTube videos and just relaxed. After breakfast, I poured myself some water and took my vitamin D supplement. The next morning habit that's part of my routine is making our bed. If you have been here for a minute, you know that I am all about making the bed neatly. This includes removing all of the blankets and dusting off the bed. This ensures that when my husband and I hit the hay, we will sleep comfortably on a clean-made bed. After the bed is made, I change out of my pajamas into my workout clothes. Yes, working out in the morning is still a habit of mine, but before I work out, I like to cozy up and read my daily devotional. Then I head back into the kitchen to take care of morning dishes and tidy up. This includes emptying the dishwasher and washing dirty dishes. I also like to wipe down the counters with this fall scented cleaning spray. It smells so good and just like fall. So if you're looking for a multi-purpose cleaning spray that smells like fall, this scent is it. Then I head outside to water my plants. I ended up harvesting my veggies before we moved out, and I didn't get to vlog it, but the veggies tasted so good. We basically grew jalapenos and cherry tomatoes. But now that it's fall, I can tell my veggies are feeling the change of season, so to keep them comfortable, I like to move the soil around, cut off dry leaves, and spray this plant spray to help keep insects away. One of my last morning habits is working out. That day I ran for 30 minutes followed by stretching. I listen to my body in a sense that if I'm feeling like only working out by doing cardio, I'll do that. Or if some days I feel much more energized to do cardio plus a workout video, I will do that. But that day, this is what I wanted to do, and I kept it very simple. Then after the workout and stretching, I head in to take a cozy shower, and after I get ready for the day. That day I simply applied my everyday makeup look, and I got dressed in my high-waisted Levi jeans, a brown tank top from Forever 21, and a fall colored jacket, and of course my fall hat and black boots. And that's my fall morning routine. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye!